Hello, grade 4 saxophones. In your first lesson with me, we worked on the mouthpiece and we worked with your neck strap. Okay, so remember your mouthpiece is this is your cover. The mouthpiece is the black part. And then your ligature, that very fancy word, is what holds on your reed. And we talked about the reed being wood, and that wood needs to be wet when you're playing. So the first thing you're going to do is just lick your reed. We've done this in class, so it is wet. And then we're remembering that the corners of your mouth are tight, and you're thinking maybe of the word ooh, our chin is flat, and we are going to take that reed and we are going to place it about halfway onto our bottom lip, and our teeth are going to bite down. We are looking for the vibration point. Now, we talked about that in class. What is the vibration point? So the vibration point is where you're going to get that sound. That's the sound that we're looking for. It's kind of a loud sound and kind of squeaky at the same time, but that's the sound that we're looking for. So if you're playing and you're not hearing that sound, that tells you that you are not at your vibration point. Nice deep breath, right? We breathe in through our mouth. If you're not finding the vibration point, it may be that you need to put more in your mouth. You may also need to take a bigger breath. It takes practice. 4th grade. I make it look easy, right? I've been doing it for a long time. We're training our muscles. We're building muscle memory. So that sound, we keep our hand here so we can feel the air. That's the sound you want to make. And once you can make that sound, you want to try it more times. So think about going 1, then taking a minute, and then and trying again. We're really working with making that sound. Remember, we are not putting our reed up in the air. It is always facing down. Okay, so that was what we did with our mouthpiece. I'm going to cover that back up. And next we're going to work with our strap, right? Our neck strap. So we put the big part over our neck, and then we have that buckle or that square. And that square, we're going to want to pull up and bring down. And how we do that is we find that smaller circle, and by pulling on one of the sides, now it's not working on this side, so by pulling on one of the sides, we're going to make that buckle go up and slide down, and up and slide down. And we're going to do that a few times. And you're saying, well, why do I need to do that, Miss Mello? It's going to make it easier when we hook up our saxophone in the next lesson. Okay, so up and down, you practice that a few times. It's a really easy first lesson. Now, once you're comfortable with that, and I told you this in class, the next thing would be to pick up your saxophone. Now, there's a lot of keys on here. We're not going to use them all in 4th grade, but we're going to learn how to hold it. Now, with your left hand, I'm going to turn so you can see, my left hand is going to go on the back of the saxophone. Right here, we're going to go, this is the neck, we're going to slide down, and maybe 3 inches or 4 inches down, you're going to see a circle. Your circle that you're seeing may be black, it may be the same color as mine, and inside that circle, you are going to probably see another circle or a sticker. It looks like a bullseye. I can show you here what they look like. Yours are going to be nice and white. Mine are old. We are going to put our thumb sideways on that bullseye. It's going to look like a bullseye. And then we are going to turn our hand around, and wherever you see the stickers is where your fingers are going to go. Now I have 1 sticker here. My sticker fell off, and then I have a 3rd one. So my first finger goes on the first sticker. My second finger skips this little guy and goes to the second finger, and my 3rd finger covers the 3rd finger. You're going to notice that some of them don't have stickers. We don't use those. So I have finger 1 finger 2, and finger 3, and my pinky hangs out. I'm not using my pinky. Think about drinking tea, right, like they do in England. So that is where your pinky goes. Now, on your bottom, which is your right hand, on the bottom, you're going to see, kind of looks like a hook right here. My thumb is going to go sideways under that hook, and then I'm going to wrap my fingers around sticker 1, sticker 2, and sticker 3, and there's my pinky. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers, and our pinkies are out. Our thumb is on in the back. And what I can do is put it on my knee to show you how we're holding the saxophone. Remember, the top hand is my left hand, It's always weird when you're looking at someone on a screen because it's going to probably look opposite of you. Left hand on top, right hand on the bottom, pinkies are out. If you've seen this video, you should be able to come to class and show me pretty much how to hold a saxophone. Okay, do your best, practice your mouthpiece, your neck strap, and then if you're ready, try holding that saxophone. We're not using our neck strap just yet, but we will in class. Okay, 4th grade, work hard, and I'll see you in class.